Ka Shillong Municipal Board Komisi Benta ka Jirak Hidap Nyuksan Senam Kari India lani ka Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav rengkat kejitiran lang baka State Investment Program Management and Implementation Unit kilapun ko buram ya ka Project Clean Surrounding ka badai ka kenhun tremon songba ban pun ko ya ka Mariang Saudong Saukun dak Batam ya kibilor bat kiwei pat kitiar kibla subret panghar dak kibri om tang kanong ba Shillong Henry Hakaleng kijaka Nalo ka jipun ko buram ya ka Project Clean Surrounding ka Shillong Municipal Board kalapun ko buram ru ya kiwei pat kikenhun kibasar pun ko surok kinala bat kiwei pat kibasim ya ka jikit kli ban sumar ko ya ka Shillong bat kiwei pat ka Project Clean Surrounding tadi ka kenhun ha ka jilam kemat uba jaf kenjing kabala sedang ya ka kam dak batam ya kini kibilor bat kiwei pat kijai tiar kibla subret pathar pat dia ya ki ban saindur thamai pat ya ki kani ka kenhun kan don ya ka benta ban kentiu ki kamrap klem doi subo bat kawei ka bakongsan ban kado kolong kani kenhun ka julai ru ban ajirap ki long yeng ki basyam lanot khamtam na ka jisakta ka kram covid-19 ha ki benta ba per ka is kasil district ki wei ki bladan lang ha kani kasi kentuk yo ba BS Olia CEO ka Shillong Municipal Board ki officer bat nong trai ka board ki dikot na ki kenhun ki besar bat khoi ka saudong saukun dalam ki dikot ka Project Clean Surrounding lambat ki wei
Nasdang unofficially 2016 they officially bagi record bat ke bagi register bat ke municipal ke dina do war hajar khapra te project clean surrounding kata ke kerteng hi kala batai mo project we don't know for how long project it's not a organization or this and that, it's a project so we keep on doing as long as we can do it the project clean surrounding project pen khoi saudong saukun I clean my surrounding. You clean your surrounding, she clean her surrounding, like Mukhra will clean its surrounding, Malki will clean its surrounding, please brother. Then ultimately, individually, if each and every citizen of the state do this, or one person from one household do this, then Shillong in itself will become clean. That is the whole idea behind this project, Clean Surrounding. It starts first with my own surrounding, then multiply. Like kaya ka ba contribute ka jing jabo jong kasor ka dei ba people they want comfort kimla ban ya ka jing lik bread nyotro kim kwa ban lik bread ka jaka bari ban bread ne ban abi kali municipal ne namar bi kirke ka jing bread pathari kinion bat kini ki di ya ba mo ki kia le ki jaka ki bomdei ban le te untang ya kataro dagila dep jaka kin subu gitu hang tu kum kibriu makum mengi ne menu ngila belum. Some of them what they do keep and patch non do bilor hang to which makes it more difficult for us te katai hindre monong hi overall it's the common sense of people which is not common with everyone that makes the city dirty te ka jabo do ka jaka denong no tengkhat manta si kala ban jabo kani ka jaka la sha ka jabo ka tai manong ban categorize ba ka tahi ka jaka ka jabo la bi nomor
kasong prosedur try kompensut seperti kana mission
prosedur ni pi don gibri so thu bakla ngi mo kimut mengi degi rack because we are not rack because ngi pen khoi ya ka surrounding la jong but tengkhat ngi target subu ko men ne ka ngi target ya ka lompengat forest area hang tu ki don ka tu kamaran football ba sik di sik bam gibri we hang tu dem dei ba baro ngam keno ya baro long manu kat bigile te habangi lek satu ke jaka bigile songka gibri we gum tengkhat tu ngi ya di tumaran football menta sekali yang negrim stay pindas nang nadu ni sarwat cha do sebokot stay don gitu gibri ki ba ki trashnong ngam tharai namar pinda pe ikurkom bread ki nyut ki jabo em ngam tharai ki trashnong kin bread kum kita ki bengi ki bilor kiat berem tinggi ke prosedur jungi kalong ba subuh mentangi target point ni tenang ni na bengi sedang ngangani ada kali awareness kadiang awareness common they keep on walking with one bag tenda dep nang tu kat banang dap nang pelaj hadu antara point e ngi pe kali kala dap tinggi one phaino lara kampat dap we carry on but till it's full at least we make it one trip in a day but in reality tengkhat art trip tengkhat light trip tu mod ha ba miet kan namarum dei bangi likit na kawai ka jaka ngilum tan bi ngilum te ka bampor kan
jinglot jing sapat ka kia peluk di naladi
ta jinglot jing sap kolong gum ni mo ni tho ata nomor bun ro gimut bingile business ndai kam dei funding impadio along no but ngim nak khmil ti thani ka tan don ba ru ngi pedang mong mengi ignore te along ba ke ki bangilum ni gini kitiar bi this is a cycle gitu. This is waste management. Kabangilum ni gini gitiar Te menta dengila de belum miliki. Dengila lidi ngasiwi ki volunteers ki badon hakatu kasngi. Te ndadep nang ta ka batam nang tu nga maintain ka kali kan mentali philai I kan kali bangi yo na ko municipal, which I'm so grateful to the CEO Ba Khan, EE, whoever who's involved in this, in fact the entire municipal team. Ni maintain kan kali te the kai ka ba remain nang tu kai ka ba tam nang tu pan ile ko no ni thung jor. And ki juru ki bomai da wai ki so ai tang na kasbo. Tindala dep nang ta kata that process kala ya la it has been going on now for quite a long time. Te mantang ngiri ki siar, ngiri ki sniang. Te let's see kan kani ka long ba fi im ba. Ya kani ka kam ba philne, if you don't have a passion you won't be able to do it. Te manta phi ong unemployment. How much can the government employ you? How much can you go out and work in a company? If you don't learn to stand on your own feet, I think it'll be and be creative, it'll be very difficult. I have my degree. I have 2-3 degree with me. I'm a diploma holder also. And then in fact I finished my theological studies, Bachelor of Divinity, but I don't behave like a priest or anything because I believe that is just a degree. In spite of all this is what I do. In my faith, as a Christian, to take care of the earth. He said take care. Don't give lerang why lerang. Whatever you do it as do service to man is service to God. So you do it as do you're doing service to God.
Kan ka strength yang organisasi nanti kan nggak.
Ya mentang idon sangut ki permanent members mensuang ya bon re na do ba men sem ni COVID kala long tamba but the lesser the better. Too many cooks spoil the dish. The sangut ki permanent member arngut ki belum men step. The arngut ki belum men ski bat nga but laingut ki volunteers ki ba kinda like ki one join. The future aim kalong hi ba bengin nang ya yele but ban pun khoj ban ngi aim you know that Shillong kani kari Shillong ri khasi jongi ba kham tam le kanong ba Shillong kanong ko ba khoj kata kari ki aim tengin nang ya yele ka message kanong kawai ba wale rai wat jaitu wat sarong pin salong brio tu blairun skur khui phi por bangas dang lum arteli gitu ki bilor nak pan iyang ngamju poi perkhat wa sisian ka singi ngan yo jeng arab kumni ngamju poi perkhat ni artili tai bilor kia ngasulum nomar balai banga kwa bakatu ka jaka banga song to kan khoj